Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most bizarre and beautiful natural wonders on our planet. Imagine you're thousands of feet up in an airplane. You glance out the window, and what do you see? A giant, bright pink lake. And no, your eyes aren't playing tricks on you. This isn't a filter or some clever photo edit. It's a real, genuine lake that looks exactly like a strawberry milkshake. This is Lake Hillier, Earth's incredible pink miracle, and you're about to find out all its secrets. So, where exactly is this bubblegum-colored marvel? You'll find Lake Hillier on Middle Island, which is part of an archipelago off the coast of Western Australia. It's a pretty remote spot, surrounded by the deep blue of the Southern Ocean on one side and a dense, dark green eucalyptus forest on the other. This stunning contrast makes the pink color pop even more. Because the island is so remote and protected, the best and really the only way to see its shocking color clearly is from the air. Helicopter and plane tours are the go-to for visitors, giving you that perfect bird's-eye view that has made this lake famous all over the world. From ground level, the color is still pink, but it doesn't have that same jaw-dropping, solid block of color you get from above. All right, the million-dollar question. Why is it pink? For a long time, scientists were stumped. They tested the water, they studied the environment, and they came up with a few theories. But now, we have a pretty solid answer. The magical color comes from a very special type of microalgae called Dunaliella salina. This tiny organism is what's known as an extremophile, meaning it loves living in super extreme environments, and Lake Hillier is definitely one of them. The lake is incredibly salty, and to protect itself from the intense salt and the harsh Australian sun, the algae produces a reddish-pink pigment called beta-carotene. It's the same stuff that gives carrots and sweet potatoes their orange color. So, when you have billions upon billions of these tiny algae all producing this pigment, the entire body of water turns a vibrant shade of pink. It's basically nature's own sunscreen. Now, seeing a pink lake might make you wonder, is it safe to swim in? It looks almost like a chemical spill, right? Well, you can relax, because the answer is yes. It's completely safe to take a dip in Lake Hillier. The water is non-toxic, and it won't harm your skin. The only thing you'll notice is that it's extremely salty. We're talking almost 10 times saltier than the ocean, similar to the Dead Sea. This means you'll float effortlessly, which is a pretty cool experience. But here's the weirdest part, and what truly sets Lake Hillier apart from some other colored lakes around the world. If you scoop up some of the water into a bottle or a cup, it stays pink. The color isn't a reflection or a trick of the light caused by the lakebed. The water itself is tinted by the algae and other microorganisms living in it. So, is anything actually living in this super salty pink water? You might think it's a barren, lifeless place, but you'd be wrong. Life, as they say, finds a way. Even though it's too salty for fish or larger aquatic animals, the lake is teeming with microscopic life. It's a bustling ecosystem for specific types of microbes and algae, like our friend Dunaliella salina, that are specially adapted to thrive in these high salinity conditions. These organisms are the true heroes of the lake, not only surviving, but creating the spectacular visual that draws people from all corners of the globe. They've created their own little world in one of the most unique habitats on Earth. It's no surprise that tourists and photographers absolutely love Lake Hillier. It is one of the few permanently pink lakes on Earth, and is arguably the brightest and most famous of them all. The sight of it from a helicopter is something people say they never forget. Professional photographers flock here, describing it as a ready-made abstract painting. The vibrant pink, framed by the white salt crust along the shore, the dark green forest, and the sapphire blue ocean, creates a composition that seems too perfect to be real. It's a powerful reminder that our planet is full of strange, unexpected beauty. Honestly, nature is the best artist isn't it? Who could have imagined a lake this color? It just goes to show you how many incredible places are still out there waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed learning about this pink wonder, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We're always exploring the most strange and beautiful places around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.